Hello, welcome back to the pet room. I have in front of me the Rusty Pet. I'll turn on, and it will come up. And it looks fine. I did reach over, see if there's any hope of the keyboard cable reaching. This one I think is shorter. Of course it would be. This is also one that you can't swap the cable out. It's soldered on. So first and foremost, I'm just going to check. And I'm not making a list because until I find something that doesn't work, I don't need to make a list if they're all working fine. And they all do seem to be working fine. 0. They do indeed. The cursor, delete, I'll hit that because I want the syntax error. The home key, it works. Clear the screen, it works. The shift lock, it works. The shift key, it works. The shift key, it works. All right, so this keyboard does work. Now there's another thing I just want to peek in here and look at, because no, it's the same. See, down at the far end of the connector for the keyboard, I noticed on the other one, there were some places that didn't have wires. I thought, but that's the way they all are, I'm sure. And it is. All right, so I'm going to turn this off. I am. And then let's see if I can get this to lean back nice. It doesn't like to lean back nice. It really doesn't. All right. All right, so 12 screws. And I will keep them separate from the other machine. Actually, they're different. It will be easy to keep them apart. These ones are quite a bit shorter. Maybe because this is the metal case and that is the ceramic case. So maybe that's a different one. Why is that thing jumping like a... That thing's jumping like a rabbit over there. All right. So this should absolutely tell me if I could have a keyboard problem or if I could also have a chip problem. That is the question. And I am tempted that if I don't find another bottle of not rubbing alcohol, that maybe I should go and find one. Because it does have some other stuff in it. And I thought what I had was like, not, it was just Isopril or something or other. Anyway, things happen. All right. 2 screws to go. All right. 1 screw to go. I do not want the keyboard to drop. Okay. Onto the machine. So I will pull it out. Oh, isn't that interesting? There's perhaps another test that I could do with this. You see, this thing here, like, it's hardwired in. It absolutely is hardwired in. But I wonder, because it has the little connectors here, could I slide the other thing on there? Could I? Well, I'm not going to try that as of yet. First things first, because of course there could be cable troubles. I don't believe it. But you know, anytime you have another variable, you never know, you know. You just never know, you know. Alright, so I'm going to set this on here. Look for the special place that there's nothing. And even though it's not real bright in here, I should be able... Oops. I should be able to line this up on the pin at the end and get it to go in. And don't hurt things. So, this will be the big test. I'll turn it on. And we'll start pressing the keys. And they're all working quite dandy. Quite dandy. Syntax error. Alright, well, shift lock is down. It's working. Shift is working. Shift is working. Oh, we didn't test this row, but it's fine. I can tell. It's going to be fine. Do the home key. Get another error. Do the cursor key. Do the cursor key. Do the backup key. Okay. So it's fine. Alright, so should I, just because I can, perhaps I can, take this off. And then, even though it is not the easiest thing in the world, and it's funny, I see in the, before they put the connector in here, they do have all the holes still. Oh. Alright, keyboard. Now, let's see. Let's see, fold this up. I've never done this before. Now, does it fit? I don't think it does. Okay, the board is just a little bit wider. Because why would they need it shorter? Because there's no connector to go on there. Oh well, it was a thought. I suppose if I was really ambitious, I could cut the board, break the board, cause myself more harm and trouble, and say, gee, maybe I shouldn't have tried that. Okay, so this keyboard is good. This keyboard still has many issues. And now I will put this one back together. And what will I do? Well, I'm going to look in my cabinet of things and stuff to see, do I have another bottle of sort of some alcohol that doesn't say rubbing alcohol? Just maybe this. Remember, I think when we were doing the T-Pug fix at night and I mentioned such things, John Easton, who's been around a long time and knows a lot, typed in, you don't use rubbing alcohol. So, maybe it's time to see. Oh, and you know what? You know what's in here? This is a bad RAM chip. bad. I know because it's in the side. Okay. Well, thanks for coming. I will continue to experiment. I shall. Right now, I think I'm going to go and look to see if I have some other cleanser here, alcohol of some sort. And then, if not, perhaps I'll go get some before I take this keyboard all apart again. Perhaps. Anyway. Thanks for being here. The saga continues. Bye for now.